This is a little look at the workshop. First what I got here is the bench saw. I put this thing on top here because it just keeps the dust off my face. Got the bandsaw, got the chop saw, routing table. I don't use that much, you just use the routers. And I have a drill placed upside down in a vise. I got various attachments. This one is a grinding disc on it. And I also got polishing discs that I put on it. Various hand drills. Lots and lots of screws and tools hanging up. Cupboards I've made that are full of all sorts. This one is full of router bits and small saws, etc. Over here I've got all the different stains and polishes. Down there all the different screwdrivers. Some wood stacked there. Workbench, more wood stacked up underneath there. There's a bench drill and another bench drill. And this is a contraption I use, if you can see it, to hold the work while I'm drilling. That contraption there will hold the pieces still while I'm drilling into to make the bits. Grinder. And that's a tour of the shed. Untidy as usual. I'm afraid I'm not a very tidy worker. I got a little stove there for when it gets very cold. Lots of wood chopped up ready for the fire. Scrap wood in the corner, ready to go on the fire as well. And there's a whole rack of clamps hanging up there. And this is me. And I'm going to look for some wood now to see if I can make myself a rack. Because I'm running out of room. I've got so many pipes. I've got far too many pipes. I should be selling some of them. Maybe I'll put some on Facebook before long and ask people what they'll give me for them. Make me an offer I can't refuse, sort of thing. But I need to make more room, so I need to make some racks. So that's my next thing. So until the next time, a last look around the shop, the workshop, and then I'll get on with it. Oh, and there's Jack. Say hello, Jack. No, you're not going to say hello. Okay.